What's going on, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to another video. Right now it is about 7 in the morning and me and Ryan are getting out on the pond, and I'm gonna have Ryan tell you a little bit about what we're doing today.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So we came out to our hometown pond. It's 7:09 right now, so it's early morning and the bite's gonna be on, so we're gonna catch some nice fish on Topwater. Hopefully it's a banger video and we'll see you later.
And we're on the water. No! Yep. Stop jumping. He drenched me, dude. There we go, folks. First fish of the day. Look at that, he just absolutely annihilated that frog. Let's get this thing out. She goes.
Nice fish, boys. And he's gone, boys.
Right there.
Our boy Ty.
No. Oh my God. No! No! I got him. Get up in here. Right there. There he goes.
He's off. Let's go.
Oh my God. Dang it. That was really cool. He just hammered that thing, followed all the way in. Beautiful PM session. Really nice out tonight. Let's catch a couple fish. You got one? Nice. Right in the lily pads. This little guy. He's got some little fat stomach. Yeah. There he goes. I just caught another fish. 3 for him, 0 for me. There he goes.
That's a bad release.